reminisce about a property that we nearly bought a long time ago to renovate and do up to live in. Make it to the seaside, a beautiful seaside town, but it was a bit breezy. Right, that's the van all cleaned up and battened down. So all I need to do now is get out of here. I came in that way from that direction yesterday, and I'll put some footage on here now. It was an absolutely crazy drive. It was just a single track road with grass growing up the middle. So I think I'm going to head out that way and see if that's any better today. I've got absolutely no Wi-Fi or no signal on my phone at all, so I can't get directions until I get some signal. So let's head out. That away. It's exactly the same as it was coming in, a single track road, so let's see how we get on. So I hope we don't meet any traffic coming the other way, because it's a bit narrow and there's not really any passing places or anything. Mind you, I think I only saw 2 cars go past all night last night, so it's only a busy road, thankfully. Been Arian. We nearly bought this place 17 years ago. Holy cow, it hasn't changed at all. Oh, what a shame. Like I say, somebody bought it and we were hoping that they were going to restore it and do it up and live in it, but it's absolutely completely derelict now. I mean, it wasn't far off this before, but obviously it's sort of, I don't know, it's 17 years later now. So, but what a place. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. And it's got this huge monkey puzzle tree in the front garden. Often think what would have happened if we had have actually have bought it. I don't think we'd have had enough money, to be honest, to be able to do it up and renovate it, but oh, what a dream, what a beautiful place, but just left to ruin. Oh, what a shame. Oh well. When buying that property fell through, we managed to get tickets to Glastonbury, so we had a fantastic summer all the same, and it doesn't pay too much to dwell in the past. One thing I really did love seeing driving through Wales was all the bird life. Tiny little birds flitting in and out of the hedgerows and great big crows, and there was so many kites and buzzards. It was really a pleasure to see, and they definitely weren't deterred by the changing weather. But when I got to the small university town of Lampeter, oh my god, the weather really changed. It absolutely hammered it down, and they wanted £6 for 2 hours parking, which I thought was a little bit steep, so I decided not to stop and carried on my journey west through the beautiful little villages of Wales towards the coast.
In 1 mile, arrive at New Quay.
When I got to Newquay, I found a car park that was £6 for 24 hours, which was a bit more reasonable. It was a really pretty town. I really enjoyed walking through the streets, and when I got my first glimpse of the sea, it just felt so good. And walking down towards the beach area and the seafront area, there was a rainbow on the horizon, which was really beautiful to see. It was a bit breezy there, but it was really nice to get down and walk along the beach. There was a strong breeze coming off the sea, I can tell you that, but it was really nice to smell the salty air and feel the sea spray on my skin. It just felt so refreshing. I enjoyed my time near the sea and also walking through Newquay. So I did a bit of shopping, got some gifts for the girls, but then I was getting hungry, so I headed back towards the van and got some lunch. Lunchtime! Join me for part 3 to see how I deal with a crazy windy night in Newquay, and also what I do to keep warm when it's pretty cold outside. And yeah, just more features on spending a weekend away in the van.